In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knowledge articles in Microsoft Dynamics 365 using the modern knowledge article experience. Whether you're working in customer service or field service, this guide will walk you through the process of creating, reviewing, and publishing articles using templates and managing permissions effectively. Before we dive in, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. First and foremost, ensure you have the appropriate security roles or permissions. Typically, roles like Knowledge Manager, Customer Service Manager, or Customer Service Representative have the necessary create and read access to the knowledge article entity. And don't forget, knowledge management needs to be set up and enabled in your environment. Now let's move on to creating a knowledge article. Start off by opening your Knowledge Articles page. In your Dynamics 365 or Customer Service application, navigate to Service, then Knowledge Articles. You can also access this through the Customer Service Hub or the Copilot Service workspace. Next, you'll want to click on the New button, or if it's more appealing to you, New Knowledge Article. If you have templates set up, feel free to use the New from Template option to streamline the process. As you embark on your article creation journey, the first thing you'll need to do is fill in the basic metadata. For the title, you'll want to choose something concise yet descriptive of the topic you're covering. The Keywords field is equally important, as it helps users search for your article more effectively, so be sure to use terms that are relevant, separating them with commas. Lastly, provide a short description that summarizes the content of the article. This will often appear in search results, giving readers a quick glimpse of what to expect. The next step involves adding the content. Use the rich text editor to compose an engaging and informative article. In some environments, you may have access to tabs like Designer, HTML, and Preview to enhance your editing process. Feel free to incorporate text, images, videos, tables, or any multimedia that strengthens your article's impact and clarity. Once you've drafted your article, remember to save it as a draft. Initially, articles are usually in this draft state, so saving your progress is crucial. Finally, when your content has been reviewed and is ready for consumption, it's time to publish. The goal is to ensure your knowledge article becomes visible to the intended audience, whether they're agents or portal users. You can choose to publish it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time, and don't forget to set an expiration date if necessary to keep your information up to date and relevant. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating knowledge articles in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Follow these steps, and you'll be crafting insightful and effective articles in no time. Happy writing!